here. All right, easy does it. Keep it steady. Keep moving. Watch the ropes. Don't want them snapping. Just a little further out. Watch the ramps. Secure the front chains now.
Wow, look at the state of this. How long has it been sitting there? Decades, I'd say. This is good. All right, focus on this main manifold right here. It's fused. Okay. I'll get the crescent wrench on it. Don't want to break it. There, got it. Good. Yeah. All right.
Don't want to bend anything. Got it. Man, that was heavy.
Now let's take a look at this piston.
And that's one down. Finish the dashboard. Looks good, they really pop in here. All right, the new steering wheel is installed.
System check initiated.
Wiring up the core now.
Check now.
Diagnostics complete. Optimal parameters.